Hello everybody, my name is Austin Benshoff. I'm a second-year apprentice here at the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum, and for the past month, me and Caden Lewis have been working on Winnie, primarily her log rails for her bulwarks.
So as you see behind me, we're currently working on what is going to be the bulwarks, but a specific part called the log rails. Me and Austin are working on laying them out, putting them on, and fastening them to eventually complete the bulwarks on Winnie Estelle.
So for the first year of the apprenticeship, we were working on our good little skiff, which is just a 16-foot rowboat. We've also were able to work on the floating fleet, replacing some planks and some tow rails and such. So getting to move over to Winnie is a great experience because it's a lot bigger tools, bigger wood, bigger timber. So it's been a lot of fun.
Patrick and Jeff have been helping us with the log rails. Just being able to go up and asking questions, how to do this, how to do that, how should we cut this, how should we cut that. They're just there for answers, and it's quite helpful for them to be there for us.
One of the harder parts of working on the log rail and the bulwarks is just getting the pieces to line up properly, getting the scarves done correctly, being consistent. There's a lot more risk since it's such big timbers, On the smaller stuff, if you mess up, you can kind of go and resaw something, but here you kind of get one shot to do it, which is exciting because of the risk factor.
So Winnie Estelle was the first wooden boat I went on when I first came to the museum, and now being able to work on her is kind of a heart-to-heart connection, and it's basically a full circle coming back around.
When I arrived, Winnie was already out of the water. I've never actually seen her in the water, but getting to work on such a historic vessel is awesome because I feel like I'm being part of the history of the boat itself.
So we're still working on Winnie Estelle. Love you to come visit her while she's still out of the water. Come ask us questions and what we're doing, how we're doing it, and soon to be launched in a few months.